while since I did this video. So this is part 2. I realized this video was too long, so meow, meow, cutting it in half. Part 2 right here for you.
All I say is that I'm a savage. I still got a W. I'm still the greatest man alive. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. But yeah.
Explain it from your point of view. I want to hear this.
Okay, she started working at TJ Maxx. No, I'm the big dog boss there, you know. I'm the boss in the front end or whatever. So basically, she works under me or whatever. And one of these girls, one day, this girl had told me, "Hey, listen, Malik, that's the new you." I'm like, huh? I looked over there, I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm not thinking, there's no one like me, okay? Cause
He has a big ego.
not even that. That's because she's saying, she gets a lot of credit cards or whatever. And I'm just thinking in my head, yeah, but I'm still a savage, you know what I'm saying? I get 22 credit cards in like an hour. Okay, I'm over exaggerating, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, I saw her, and from there it was just like, we had lunch one day. I made sure that we got the same lunch one day because I wanted to talk to her and see where this goes, you know what I'm saying? Keep in mind, I was talking to another girl at the time, but I'm not gonna say no names, but I wasn't really interested in the other one because she was younger. I don't mess with young girls. I mean, she's younger than me by a year, but the other girl was like 2 years younger than me, so it wasn't gonna really work out, you know what I'm saying? I just feel like with younger girls, yes, girls mature quicker than guys, but females play too much, you know what I'm saying? They give you runarounds. You just left me on the bed. Okay. Anyways, but yeah. And then just from here, it's been clicking. Right?
I hope so.
I guess that tells it all. This food's actually really good, bro. I'm so hungry. Anything else you want to tell?
I don't know. What are you gonna say?
So she proposed to me.
I did not.
She did. Lucky.
I didn't. How did I? When?
Put pickles in her?
Ew. Nasty. When did I?
She came to TJ Maxx one day, gave me roses, and said, "Will you marry me?"
Oh, you know what you did for Valentine's Day? Let me say this.
No.
So, okay. So, I just said that December, we were like talking, right? But we like started dating probably like January. For Valentine's Day, I wasn't expecting like anything. I was expecting like chocolates or something like that, you know, something very small.
Okay, let me just add in real quick. She ain't getting done this year either, so.
That's what you said last year. But, I wasn't expecting a lot from him. I was just expecting like a card or something like that. And suddenly, I was working in the front, and I see his little brother and his little sister just walking in. One had a teddy bear, the other had like, it was like a vase with like flowers made of chocolate. And then a balloon. And I was so confused. I'm like, I literally, like, I promise you, I got all hot, like red.
Keep in mind, she didn't know who my siblings were at the time.
But I've seen pictures. I remember I saw a picture of Jaden. I've never seen a picture of Jasmine.
No, you never seen it. You saw
Not
Jaden.
physically. I've
You met Jaden.
I don't remember. I knew I've seen pictures for sure, but I've never like met them. I probably met Jaden, but I've never met Jasmine. And I was like, it has to be them. And I remember, I don't know who was working, but the person that was working, they're like, Allison. I'm like, yeah. And they're like, that's for you. I'm like, no, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not.
It was Janae.
Was it Janae? I don't remember.
Or Rochelle?
I don't know, man. I don't remember. I just know, like, those little kids were walking and they went through like the queue line and like to the front lines as they were paying. And I literally got all red. I was so embarrassed. I was like, what's going on? I was confused.
Keep in mind, I didn't even go inside.
We didn't go inside. He wasn't even there. And they just gave me, I think Jaden spoke. He's like, oh, this is for you. And they just left. I'm like, what? Oh, and the big card. I still have it in my card. It was a big, like big card. It was really cute.
You know what I got for Valentine's Day? Nothing. You know what I got for Christmas? Nothing. You know what I got for my birthday? Jake tickets 4 months later. I just wanted to add that. But anyways, this is the end of this video. Before I get my head chopped off. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed already, go and subscribe right now. Share it with your friends. Let's get this video to like 10 likes because I only have 4 subscribers. That's disrespectful. You're not supposed to laugh. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I love everyone. Make sure you share this video because I think I deserve it for 2019. Anyways, peace out.
Did you put it there? I'll put it in. You let me eat.
You're supposed to eat and talk.
I couldn't.
That's what I did. Ah! I got checked out.